Hi everybody, this is Marcus with the Best Buy blog. Today I'm going to be reviewing the D-Link AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 routers. I'll be talking about its setup, its design, network, controls, as well as my final thoughts. Now, setting up the AX1800 is simple. It only requires your phone and the D-Link app. Gone are those days where you have to get your laptop, you type in the router address into the browser, and then you log in just to access the controls. If you're using D-Link's mobile app, the entire setup process can now be done just from your phone. D-Link's app walks you step by step through the setup process, and for me, the entire setup was done in less than 10 minutes. That's really fast. Now, when we look at the design of the AX1800, there's nothing special about this design at all. The body is black, it's boxy, and it's made entirely of plastic. I did find the size surprisingly small when we compare this to other Wi-Fi 6 routers. In order to keep the AX1800 cool, it's actually covered with ventilation all along the top as well as the bottom of the chassis. Now, another small but thoughtful design choice of the AX1800 is actually the little mounting hooks on the bottom of the router here. Using these hooks, you can hang the AX18 from your wall or from the side of a piece of furniture, and I think this is a really great design choice as it keeps my office space clean and organized. When it comes to port selection, the AX1800 does have limited port selections. On the back here, you're going to see that there's 4 LAN ports for external devices, there's an on and off button, and a reset button, and that is it. Some of you may actually find that the 4 LAN ports are slightly limiting. Another connection option that I actually found myself missing is a USB port. The USB port for me can be used for different functions. For example, I can use this to plug in a printer or some storage and media devices, and once those are plugged in, they're actually shared across the network. The exclusion of a USB port is a little bit limiting for me, but there's ways around this. When it comes to networking for this router, the AX1800 is a dual-band router supporting 2.4 and 5 GHz networks with a maximum data speed of 1800 megabits per second. In my test, the AX1800 was able to achieve 164 megabits per second download speeds and 173 megabits upload speeds. Keep in mind that your speeds may differ according to your network plan with your internet service provider. The AX1800 actually comes with a pretty neat feature called Smart Connect. This allows both the 2.4 and 5 GHz bands to show up under one Wi-Fi network name. What this does is it lets the router select which wireless band will actually provide the best connection based on the device that you have connected to the router. It also allows the router to balance the network traffic loads between those two bands. This ensures that the wireless speeds remain fast and stable for all of your devices. Now, when it comes to range, I wasn't able to find the exact wireless range of the D-Link AX1800. But in my test, I had no issues maintaining a strong Wi-Fi connection within my 900 square foot space here. Since this router is mesh enabled, if you do find yourself needing more range, you can connect other Wi-Fi 6 routers from D-Link. Or if you have an older Wi-Fi device from D-Link, then you're in luck. The AX1800 is backwards compatible with older Wi-Fi standards. When it comes to control, the AX1800 can be controlled in 3 different ways. You have your mobile application, the web browser, or voice control. The mobile app and web browser had a well thought out user interface that makes it easy to find the functions that you need. For example, finding and setting the parental controls as well as the guest Wi-Fi network password could easily be found within 2 clicks on the app. As of this video, the AX1800 supports voice commands from Amazon Alexa as well as Google Assistant. You can use these assistants to turn on and off the guest modes, restart, as well as update your router. Alright, my final thoughts here on the D-Link AX1800. This is a great entry-level Wi-Fi 6 router that comes at an affordable price. It's not going to win any awards for its plain black and boxy design. However, the AX1800 excels at what it was built to do, and that's providing next-generation Wi-Fi 6 capabilities, security, and speed. The simplicity and ease of use of the D-Link app can't be understated. If you don't mind the limited port selection, I highly recommend checking out the AX1800 router. Well, that's all for today. If you'd like to know more about the D-Link AX1800, head over to the Best Buy blog and check out my full review. If you'd like to know what else I'm up to, you can follow me on Instagram or Twitter at pewx31 and on Facebook and YouTube at pewx3. Thanks again everybody, and we'll see you in the next video.